Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT Smart Energy Meter Management System. So in this project we have different features. So let me explain the features. So first we can monitor the two energy meters data on the Blink app. So directly, so it's a Blink app. So when we log in with our credentials, there we can see the difference between the two energy meters and the master energy meter and the slave energy meter. And if the difference between these two energy meters is greater than 0.15, then this particular light will be in on condition, and we can set the limit for the slave energy meter. So when the threshold value, when this slave energy meter kilowatt hour will crosses the threshold value, then automatically we will get the limit indication here like the same, and we can control the device, home device, from the Blink app by touching this on and off switch. So one more thing, when the difference between these two energy meters greater than 0.15, then we'll get the SMS alert to this number also. There's another feature, and one more feature, when the department people send the message of current bill indication to the system, it will check the readings inside the bill and the current readings of the energy meter. Then if it is any difference more than same 0.15, then we'll send the message to the owner like the difference is there, please check and take the concerned action. So these are the features of this project, and let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to do some initial steps in our phone, like we need to enable the hotspot with the name of project 4310, small letters without any space, and the password should be 123456789, and then on the hotspot along with internet data also, these two very important, and then switch on the kit. And one more setup, so when we switch on this kit, we need to do like after inserting the SIM card. So before switching on this kit, we need to do one more hardware setup. We need to insert the valid SIM card which should have the SMS balance, and it is other than the Jio. We can use only Vodafone and the Idea, Vodafone Vi, or else Airtel or BSNL. So in valid SIM card, it shows the SMS balance. So after switching on the kit, just we need to hold this switch. Why? Because so you can see one light is blinking on the GSM modem. It's blinking at 1 second of duration initially. Once it got the signal, the blinking rate slowed down to 3 seconds now, right? So it is indicating as the GSM modem got the signal. So because we need to hold the reset switch. Why? Because if we enable the total microcontroller, it starts sending the 80 commands to the GSM modem to make it to send the messages. With that 80 commands only, the GSM modem will enable to send the messages. So if the particular commands will be received by the GSM modem before getting the signal, then the GSM modem will not send the messages, as it's not enabled for the message sendings. So that's why very important. Till the GSM SIM card get the signal, we need to hold the switch and then release. There will be a welcome message on your phone, on the LCD, and also we can see that one device will be connected into our into the hotspot. You can check that in your hotspot settings and then go to this one. Previously it is red color, now it is normal. So just on and off, right? So the bulb got switched on and it's continuously get the reading from the two energy meters. We'll tell you the connections and pin numbers. Let us see the demonstration. So as we are going to set that for 0.926, so let us make it for less, 0.353, and now the reading is both energy meters are normal. So the difference only maybe sometimes 0.03 only, and when it crosses the threshold value which is set by the kilowatt hour limit, then automatically the light will be on this app. The light indication will be there. That is a limit LED indication. And the difference is, whenever the difference is more between these two, it will be displayed on this gauge meter, and also the light indication will be there. So when it crosses the limit, then we'll get that. Right, it increased and now it is on. If you want to off this, we can off that from the app only, or else you can change the limit. So I have changed the limit. Now the light will be off. This is the difference based one, the limit setting. And coming to the difference, in order to make the thefting, so whenever this particular energy meter is not getting the inputs from the load, but nothing but if we tampered this slave energy meter which is of thefting indicated, so then we can see the difference will be increased, and whenever the difference is more than 0.15 kilowatt hour, then automatically, so we can see the difference on the difference gauge, okay, and it will indicate it on the lights, as well as it will switch off the power supply to the load whenever the theft detected. It's automatically off, and also the particular mobile phone will get the SMS alerts, the theft detected alerts, right? So the bulb will be off, we'll get the indication on the theft LED, as well as we'll get the message alerts. So we'll keep on display the alerts, okay, we got the theft, power theft, so from the SIM card which we inserted in this switch. And in order to make it reset, just check the connections and check that whether there is a tampering or not, and after that just usually reset the microcontroller. So now it will be on again, okay, and after total initializing was done, then the app will show the normal condition, right? So now it is totally, everything is normal, okay. And this is coming all about the Blink app. And coming to the SMS features, as we said, the SMS alert will be sent to the owner whenever the theft difference is occurred, and whenever we get the message from the car department, I'm sending a message. So I send the message bill with the units of 0.995, and now the reading is 0.906. So we received the message. So if it is normal, because 0.9 is not considered, so then right, so we are sending these messages. Whenever the normal message is sent, then the limit is check for the limit, and then it will display on the LCD the master reading and the master reading and the build reading. So when this difference is more than the set point, so we set for 0.06 above 0.09 difference. When it is above that, then you will get the message of energy meter units and the build units, and please check and take necessary action. So in this manner, the owner will get the message alerts whenever the billing difference is more, right? Thank you.